Hey guys, this is a quick demo of how to set up your PS5 if you want to do some like screen recording as I'm doing now. So first of all, you want to go over to settings, you want to go down to system, down to HDMI, and then make sure enable HDCP is turned off. So I've turned this off so I can use my Elgato HD60S Plus. Now if I turn this on, now everything would stop working. So it's just like a protection thing. The Xbox doesn't have it, but the PS5 does, and that's been the same in the PS4 as well. But now when you have that turned off, you can't do anything. It asks you to turn that back on. So for example, I'm going to take this back downstairs in the living room and I'll switch that back on, and then I can listen to my music or watch Netflix, etc. So make sure you have that turned off if you want to capture from your PS5. I hope that's helped you guys. If you've got any questions, let me know in the comments, and also you can join the Discord, links down below, and I will answer any questions that you may have. As always guys, thanks for everything. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.